Hi, welcome to today's Veg Hack. We've come out into the fields, which we thought would be a brilliant idea, except we picked the coldest day of the year to come out here. It's stunningly beautiful though. It's bright, it's blue, it's a little bit breezy. And we're talking today about purple sprouting broccoli. Such a fantastic vegetable for us. It grows from the summer through the winter and we start harvesting it, depending on the variety. Some will come before Christmas, very occasionally, but most of it will be coming now in your boxes, and it's just such a brilliant, tasty, delicious vegetable for us. Guy is growing it. This is his farm. We're out in his fields. We know how much he loves growing purple sprouting broccoli, and we love having his produce in the boxes. So he's been out here picking with the team just on Friday, actually, just a couple of days ago. So we've got a little bit taken, but still enough to show you what's going on here. So looking at the plant, initially when it grows up, and it gets to about 3 feet tall, but first off you'll get just maybe one flower head, and that flower head will take it off and just cut it off, and that will allow the rest of the plant to flourish and shoot lots of lovely flower heads off of it. The reason it's such a brilliant vegetable is we get to use the whole thing. So we get to use the flower head, we get to use the stalk and the beautiful leaves as well. It's packed with nutrients, and we're going to go back to the farm and we're going to get in the kitchen and we're going to show you how to cook some of it. So we've come back in from the wilds of the fields where it was blowing an absolute hoolie, and now we're back in. We've gathered our wonderful purple sprouting broccoli, and I'm so excited to be showing you this dish because it is so quick and so simple, and I really hope that you're going to give it a try. So we're going to be doing something a little bit unusual today. I don't think we've really done these before in our veg hacks, but we're going to be showing you a really simple and easy breakfast. Breakfast is one of those things where if you're thinking about how to get more vegetables into your meals, into your day generally, breakfast is a good one to consider, because I think we've been so marketed to for so many decades that we eat cereal for breakfast, or we eat the same thing every day. And if you just think about changing your breakfast, changing your mindset and thinking, okay, maybe 2 or 3 days a week, I'm going to eat something different, and that's going to be a savoury vegetable breakfast instead of what you normally do. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a really simple Chinese omelette with some stir-fried broccoli, a little pinch of 5-spice, and some shredded chili. So simple and so delicious. I'm so excited to be showing this to you. So I've got 2 lovely eggs here. The first thing I'm going to do for the omelette, which we're going to be making first before the broccoli, I'm just going to crack my eggs into a bowl, and this just makes it easier for us to add them into the pan later. It's not like a traditional French style omelette where you're sort of forking it in and folding it up like that. This one, we get the pan hot and we're going to add the eggs into the hot pan, let it sit and bubble up and fry. So while the pan's heating up, let's give these a little whisk up. And actually you can eat this. I mean, this would make a fantastic lunch. And the thing with this is to get a good, just a little thin layer of oil in your pan, swirling it around. And this is going to prevent the egg from sticking. Ooh. That sounds so good. It's bubbling up, and we're just going to leave that to sit. We're not even going to touch it. So good. You can smell it now coming. And this is going to be the perfect foil for our broccoli, because broccoli and eggs are just the perfect match. When you think it's almost at the point of being just cooked through, then all we're going to do is take the pan off the heat, and then with the omelette, just very gradually tip this and roll, and that is your lovely omelette. So we've got our beautiful broccoli, and we're just going to prepare it for you now. We love it because you can eat the whole thing. Stalk, florets, leaves, it's all going to go in the pan. The only thing that we need to just consider when we're prepping it is the size. So these 2 you can see here, they've been picked, but they're a little bit different shapes. We want them to cook in the same time. We don't want to have some that are under and some that are over. So all that we're going to do is just split the larger one, like this one here is a particularly good example. Taking your knife and running it through the stalk, trimming it off, maybe splitting it down 2 or 3 times. Sometimes you get these wonderful posies, these huge great big stalks. They're fantastic as well. They can all be used, so don't waste anything. We've got the pan back on the heat, and we're using the residual oil that's left from the omelette to stir fry our broccoli. And we're going to be throwing in the pan 80 grams of broccoli. That's one of your portions of vegetables a day. In we go. Ooh, listen, sounds fab. And all we're going to do is just keep the pan moving, keep the broccoli moving. It's getting quite loud, you can hear it sizzling. Quite fun. Love stir-frying veg. And it's such a fantastic way of cooking it because it's locking in all the nutrients. So I try to avoid boiling too many vegetables just because you don't want the nutrients leaching into the water. But if you didn't want to stir fry, then you could also steam it instead. So keep stirring, keep stir frying. Gets a little bit of colour on it, which is brilliant. Lots of lovely steam going as well. And then all I'm going to be adding to this is just a fantastic little 5 spice. You can judge how much you want to add. I quite like it, so I'm going to add quite a lot. And we're going to just chuck that in just towards the end so that the spices don't burn. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells so good. Our broccoli's just about done now. Looking really, really good. We've got our omelette here, which we've just kept nice and warm. And then we're just going to be adding the broccoli onto the plate. If you were making this and you wanted to make it into a main course, then you could stir fry some extra vegetables with it and add some noodles to the stir fry or some rice. And then with the Chinese omelette, often it's sliced into rounds where you can see the beautiful colours going through it, and then you drizzle over a little bit of ketchup mayonnaise. This really seasons it more than anything. And then all we need to do is to add our chilli. So our alternative brilliant purple sprouting broccoli breakfast is ready. I had to start a little bit without you. I'm really sorry, but you'll have to make your own because it's so good. The omelette, texture of that's really good. And the broccoli, I'm going in with my fingers, I can't resist it, sorry. It tastes so good. Perfect contrast with the omelette. Have a go. Thanks so much for joining us and watching our video today. We really hope that you enjoyed spending the time out in Guy's Field with us and back in the kitchen. Really also hope you give this breakfast a go. Leave a comment below with what you'd like to see us talk about, prepare and cook in our next video. Make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for new veg hacks every Monday.